A warm greetings from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology video lecture series. I am Professor Radhika from Chemistry Department. In this video, we discuss about threats to biodiversity. So after successful completion of the course, students can able to illustrate the important features of environment and its conservation. Particularly after the successful completion of the topic threats to biodiversity, the students can able to understand how human activities impact the environment and the species that live in it. So we know that as human population rises, there is an increasing demand for land, house, fuels and raw materials. If the present trends continues, millions of kinds of animals, plants and other microorganisms may be destroyed in the next few decades. Deforestation and consequent soil erosion leads to loss of biodiversity. According to World Conservation Union Red List report states that threats to biodiversity are due to human activities, in particular destruction of plant and animal habitats. It is estimated that out of 40,000 assessed species, more than 12,000 species are in risk. The major biodiversity threats are habitat destruction, extension of agriculture, filling up of wetlands, conversion of rich biodiversity site for human settlement and industrial development. Now we discuss about one of the major factor of biodiversity loss is poaching. Poaching is nothing but the illegal killing of animals. Poaching and hunting of wild animals are the main reason of wildlife depletion. Generally, the animals are killed for 4 reasons. One is flesh. We know that flesh of wild animals is the tasty protein food, so they are hunted. For example, rabbit, deer, wild pig, etc. Similarly, for trading purpose, the animal parts and products are sold in the market at high price. The elephant tusks, wild animal skins. Similarly, most of the animals are killed for drugs. Peacock, varanus. Catching fishes during their breeding season also threat to fish population. The enormous increasing of human population increases the demand for food. That's why the animals are killing illegally. Illegal commercial hunting, fishing, known as poaching, which is mainly took place or take place for the meat which is obtained from the animals, skins and internal organs. The wildlife is sold for live specimens, medicines, skins and other products such as ivory, hide and horns. The poaching process is classified into 2 types. One is subsistence poaching and another one is commercial poaching. Subsistence poaching is nothing but the animals are killed for providing food for their survival. If it is sold in a market which helps to increase their economical growth, means that kind of poaching is called as a commercial poaching. The another one reason for biodiversity loss is man-wildlife conflicts. Generally, a struggle or war takes place between man and wildlife, which known as man-wildlife conflicts. Normally, man is afraid of wild animals. Similarly, wild animals also afraid of man. Forest is the home of millions of wild animals. Man exploit the forest. When they are disturbed in their houses, automatically they enter into human dwelling areas which destroy the properties of man. So man once again get angry and attack the wild animals. So there is a continuous war takes place between man and wild animals. So the clear pictures indicate due to the angry of human beings, the wild animals attacks the agricultural land area. The major examples of man-wildlife conflicts are in Sambalpur at Orissa, 195 human beings were killed in 5 years by elephants. In vengeance, man killed 98 elephants and injured 30 elephants. Similarly, in a Royal Chit National Park, Kathmandu, 16 Nepalese people and one 4-year-old baby were killed by a tiger in 2004. In the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Mumbai, 14 persons were killed by leopards in 19 attacks. Let us see the main cause for man-wildlife conflict. We know that man is the primary cause for man-wildlife conflicts. He approached the forestry area for his benefits, disturb the home of wild animals. So the wild animals enter into human beings' habitats. So the villagers put electric fences to safeguard their crop plants. The electric wires kill and injure the wild animals. Once again, the injured wild animals are angry and they have a tendency to attack man. These wild animals damage agricultural crops, so man kills them. Formerly, the forest department cultivate paddy, sugarcane in the sanctuaries for the wild animals as food. But this practice is not followed by nowadays. Hence, wild animals enter into human areas. The compensation given by the government to the farmers for damage is also very less. So, farmers take revenge and kill wild animals. So, in order to reduce